Here I'm going to show you how to make this really awesome spice combination. Ingredients are very simple, easily found. It's based on a dried mushroom. It must be dried. Dried mushrooms, in my opinion, are so much more flavorful than fresh. They pack a much bigger boost of umami. So you can use either shiitake dried mushrooms or maitake or nemeko. All of them have amazing medicinal beneficial qualities. I'm using here my maitake dried mushroom. I've torn it into small pieces and with my trusty fork, because I lost the gadget, will make it work. It's been grounded to a lovely powder. Now just keep it in a jar. And now the plan is to grind the rest of the ingredients and add it to the jar and then just give it a shake and you're done. I've speeded the process here, but literally in real life it really does take only a few minutes. Just grind everything up and then just add it to your base dried mushroom, whichever mushroom you might have chosen, maitake, shiitake, nemeko, whatever mushrooms you might have, even porcini, whatever. And you see this lovely brown color, and the smell is just fantastic. You know that anything that you add this to is just going to taste so good. I add this to vegetables, I add this to meat, I add this to tofu. It's just got this magical quality about it. Really, really try this. And you will never buy anything in the store. It has all the goodness there from nature. Keep in a glass jar and give it a good shake. Mix all the spices together. Now for the last lap, we add a healthy teaspoon of our salty peppery spice mix. 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, depending on how you like it. Play around with it and familiarize yourself with your particular taste buds and preferences. Again, give it a good shake, store in a glass jar, and you're good to go. And here is my holy trinity of spices in the kitchen. All homemade, all with natural, pure, quality ingredients. And I know exactly what's inside them, with no added preservatives, additives, chemicals, e-numbers. I just love it. Make a fantastic present to anybody, any foodie or anybody who just loves to cook, and you know you are given the best quality ingredient gifts that will nourish the body, the soul, the spirit. It's just a wonderful present to give and to receive. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos, and if you did, then please support me and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me to know that there are people out there enjoying my content. I'm working very hard to improve my editing and my camera skills, so just bear with me and I'm sure that it will only improve and get better. Thanks for all your patience and all your support. And please write down in the comment section what kind of new dishes you would like to learn or what kind of new videos you would like to see. I'd love to hear from you and to get your feedback. If you make these spices, then please let me know how it goes. Till next time, remember, every meal is an opportunity to heal.